Hey there, welcome back to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering the most common questions about Meta ads and how Facebook and Instagram advertising can help your business grow. Let's get started. What are Meta ads? Meta ads are advertising campaigns run on Facebook and Instagram, both part of the Meta ecosystem. They help you promote products, services, or content to the right audience at the right time. How can Facebook and Instagram ads benefit my business? Meta ads let you reach a highly targeted audience. They help build brand awareness, generate leads, and boost conversions, all while engaging people where they already spend their time, on social media. What sets Facebook ads apart from Instagram ads? Facebook ads show up in the newsfeed, sidebar, and even in Messenger. Instagram ads appear in the photo and video feed, reels, and stories. The platform you choose depends on your audience and your goals. How is the target audience segmented for the ads? We use powerful targeting tools to reach the right people. That includes location, age, interests, behaviors, and more. It's all about putting your message in front of the people who are most likely to care. How much should I invest in Meta ads? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your budget depends on your goals and your industry. We'll help you find the right investment that makes sense for your business and gets results. How is the success of Meta ad campaigns measured? We track key performance metrics like CTR, conversions, reach, and return on investment. And yes, you'll get regular performance reports, so you can always see what's working. What's the process for creating Meta ads? It starts with your goals. Then we create compelling ad content, target the right audience, set a smart budget, and monitor performance closely. The entire process is tailored to your business.
What is remarketing, and how does it work? Remarketing shows your ads to people who've already visited your site or interacted with your content. It helps bring them back, and increases the chance they'll convert next time. How long does it take to see results with Meta ads? In many cases, you'll start seeing more traffic and engagement in just a few weeks. But real, lasting success comes with ongoing optimization and smart strategy. How can I start working with your agency? Just reach out and tell us what you're looking for. We'll create a personalized Meta ad strategy designed to meet your marketing goals and get your brand in front of the right people. Have more questions about Meta ads? Reach out through our website or check out the next video in this playlist. And when you're ready to scale your social media campaigns, Ferrer Digital is here to help. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.